Okay, I think we are now live. So guys, on our upcoming lessons, we might be doing lessons together. And the reason to that is because I'm now preparing you for grade 10. There are some things that we'll need to make sure that we master in grade 9. We will never move on until we master all these things that I want us to go through. Knowingly that come 2026, you guys will be on another level. So I am forced to take you through these topics and make sure that you fully understand to the level that you need to. So there is a lot that we are going to still do, but for today, I just want to check if you guys have got the basic understanding and knowledge of the exponents. And then from there, we will straight away look into dealing with some exercises. So let's see. Maybe let me check before maybe let me start with you. Can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you still remember the laws of exponents?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to solve equations or simplify problems related to exponents?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. It means I won't be starting from scratch. Langlihle, let's hear from you, Honorable Member. Do you still remember the laws of exponents, and are you able to solve equations and simplify problems related to exponents?
Yes, I am. I'm able to.
Okay. Then it's fine. In that case, let me straight away get into some questions that I would like for us to start with. Okay, I'm just going to be choosing from that exercise 3. Maybe let me rotate, or maybe let me see. Guys, are you able to see there? Those numbers, are they clear on your side? Or are they too small? Especially A, we're going to start with A. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Busi and Langley. Okay, Langley says he's able to see. Okay, then in that case, it is fine. So, let's see, which one am I going to start with? I'm going to start with number 25. Can you guys see number 25? Busi, can you see 25?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the one that we're going to start with. So very quickly, work it out as soon as you are done. Then you comment in the comment section with your X value. So that means you tell me what the X value is. So when we get different answers, we will then do the corrections. When we get the same answers, chances will be high that it is correct. I will then show you how you prove if your answer is wrong or correct, so that as you work it out, before you comment, you will be knowing whether your answer is wrong or correct. This will be just a start. So we need to make sure that all the questions on exercise 3A, we are able to work them out, all of them, before moving on to B. Once we are done with B, we move on to C. Once we are confident that we can be able to solve all these questions, then we will move into some more questions. But for today, I just want to check to what extent you guys understand, and you will therefore be tested by going through those questions. So start with 25 and let me know what the X value is. Maybe as soon as you are done, just unmute and say, I've commented, or say I'm done, so that I know you've worked out and you've sent in the comment section.
Yeah, please ask the question.
Yes, go for it, Langley.
We supposed to send it specifically to you, or should we send it to everyone?
So you see on Zoom in the comments,
Yes.
let's see. So that's where I'm going to check it, Langley. Can you see in the meeting charts?
Yes.
Yeah, so you just comment with the answer. You can just say x is equals to whatever the answer that you got.
Wait, may you please repeat?
So let's say you've got an answer, then you can just comment and say x is equals to maybe 7. But this is where I'm going to get your answer. Maybe let me say yes to everyone. So you don't send it via WhatsApp inbox, but you just comment there. Did I answer you, Langley?
Not really. I asked for specifically in chat. Should you send it to everyone or specifically to you as a direct message?
It looks like maybe you've got options there. You can send it to me or choose any option. I'm not really sure in terms of what you are seeing there. Let's see. Everyone, Langley, Tlepusisi. Okay. It looks like they've updated it such that you can send it to a specific person. Okay. No. Send it to me then. Send it to me. Not to everyone. Choose myself. Let's go to that private message. Okay. Then it makes sense. Okay. Busisiwe, how far are you, honorable member? Are you winning there?
Sir, I just sent you the message.
Oh, yes, this is Busisi. Okay, no, I see your message. Okay. Langlihle, are you winning there?
Yes, I'm winning. I sent you
Okay.
also.
Okay, let me quickly check. Okay, yes. Okay, now I see. So you guys tell me, Busisiwe, can you see what Langlihle sent to me? Or Langlihle, can you see what Busisiwe sent to me? You don't see anything, ne?
I can see.
I can also see.
Okay. I'm not sure what the difference is when it's to everyone versus when it's direct, but it's fine. Okay. The next one to do is number 21. Very quickly work on that 21. So you just need to remember that we need to work them out as quick as possible. But before we jump on to 21, do you guys know how to test if your answer is wrong or correct?
Yes, I know.
Langlihle knows. Busisiwe, do you know?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, what do you do?
Sir, I think we substitute the answer that we got.
Yes, okay. Very quickly work on that 21.
I
3
sent
to
you
the
the answer.
exponent 2 into that, which is equals to that. Okay. Langlihle has worked it out. So maybe, okay, it's fine. We'll do this on the next question. And then, Langlihle, you're not cheating there. Nee, you are working it out from scratch, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm supposed to work out from scratch.
Okay. Wait, what did you say, Langlihle? Did you say you worked it out from scratch?
First, I use a calculator and work it out my book.
Yes, okay, then it's fine. Busisiwe, are you working on it that number 21?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let's see what Langlihle got. And then Langlihle, as you work it out, did you check if the answer is correct or you haven't checked before you commented?
I checked if the answer was correct.
Okay, then it's fine. Uh, okay, before I say which one will be next, let's see if Busisiwe will get a different answer. Busisiwe, you let me know once you've got an answer. Nee. Looks like let's see. Okay, I assume Busi is still working it out. So Langlihle, while Busi is still working it out, by looking at all those questions under A from number 1 up until 28, is there a question which you think you might have difficulties in working it out?
Wait, just give me a moment to see.
Okay, it's fine. Take your time take your time checking them out and see if there's that one question that you are curious about or that question that you think if you had to do it, you are going to have a challenge. You can also, after identifying it, try to work it out and see if you can manage. Otherwise, if not, then you let me know which one it is. Busisiwe, remember to let me know once you are done.
Sir, I did send you the message.
Okay. Let's see. I just want to check if you got different answers. Okay, now we have different answers. Again, Busisiwe, did you test if your answer is wrong or correct before you send?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let's see. How did you work it out, Busisiwe? What did you do? Just tell me what you've done there. Busisiwe, are you still there? Let's see. Busisiwe, I'm not able to hear you. Can you hear me? No response. Okay,
Sir,
Langlihle, can you hear me? Yes, okay, now I can
so
hear
can
you.
you hear me?
Yes, how did you work it out?
Oh, okay. So like I first substituted the 2 to the x minus y 1. Sorry, minus 1. Then
Wait,
it became.
a substitute or multiply? What did
Oh,
you do?
sorry, like distribute. Sorry.
Okay, distribute. Okay, then
Yes.
what did it
And then it
become?
became 3 to the 2x minus 2.
Okay,
And then obviously it's equals to 81. And then I figured that um 3 to the 2. And then I put 4 in brackets minus and then minus 2. And then so when I check on my calculator, it gives me that.
okay,
Oh
wait.
no.
What did you do, Busisi? Do you notice a mistake?
Yes, so like I think like so when I put it on the calculator as 3 to the 2 brackets 4 minus 2, it gives me 81. But now so like I realize that when I put the 4 in its own brackets, it gives me another number.
Mm, then I will need to see how you wrote it. Take a photo and send it to me via WhatsApp inbox. I now need to see the steps that you have followed. And then maybe let me check Langlish. Langlish, have you got a question? Did you hear me, Busisi?
Yes, I have Busisiwe.
Uh, Langlish, I wanted to check with you if you have found that question under A.
I don't think there'll be a question, but I think maybe number 26.
Number 20. Oh, okay. So it's that 26 that you think it might be challenging.
Maybe.
Okay, maybe I'll give you a reminder. Trust me, you can work it out. Remember that law that says when we have the same basis, what do we do to the exponents?
Are you
Mm,
asking me?
yes, do you still remember that law that says when you have the same basis, what do you do to the exponents?
I don't think I remember.
Okay, let me do these. This will be 7. That law says you add the exponents, which means you will have that. Can you see a Langley?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, then this is the same as 3x. So since the bases are the same, you can just say 3x is equals to 1, and then x is equals to 1 over 3. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, okay. Uh, but are you sure that it makes sense, Langley? Do you now remember that law which says when the same basis, when the bases are the same, you add the exponents?
Yes, I remember.
Yes, okay. Maybe let's see. Busisiwe, any question on your side under A that you think it can be difficult for you to work it out? Okay, let's see. No, no.
I'm still taking a look.
Yeah, no, no. I see, Busisiwe, you are doing them incorrectly. You are doing them incorrectly. Um, Let me show you a process way. Let me show you. I might need to do. I think I'll need to erase all of these. Okay, with this way, I just need to quickly erase all of this and show you, because I did suspect that there might be a way in which you are doing them, which is incorrectly. And you may be getting the correct answers, but the calculation is not correct. Maybe let's start with that first one. Do you still remember this law, Busisi, which says a to the exponent x when we multiply it by a to the exponent y, this is equals to a to the exponent x plus y. Do you still remember this law, Busisi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. It is the one that I was explaining to Langlihle there. So Langlihle, I'm going to show Busisi with the correct way of doing it. You will just confirm for me if you also understand. So just to give you an idea, Busisi way, it looks like what she does, she punch on a calculator 2, and then to the exponent, she substitute different answers to x to see if it will be the same as the one on the right hand side. Am I wrong there, Busisi? I might be, but based on what you've done, it looks like you substitute x with a certain value to check if it gives you the answer on the right. That's what I'm asking Busisiwe, if that's how you approach it. Okay, it's fine. Let me do this. You might be speaking there, Busisiwe, forget it. Can you unmute Busisiwe? I think you guys can remain unmuted. Looks like you respond, but forget to unmute. Busisiwe, can you unmute?
Sir.
Yes, don't mute yourself for now, remain unmuted. Did you hear
Okay,
what I was
sir.
asking you?
No, sir, please repeat.
So I was saying, I'm suspecting that what you do is to try different values there and see if there's going to be a value for x that will give you that. Am I correct in your interpretation?
Sir, not really.
Okay, then it's fine. If you're not doing it that way, then it's fine. But I'm just going to explain to you how you are supposed to work it out, because maybe for the purpose of whatever, this is what you've done on this one. You said that two, you distributed it and you had that, correct? See. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking, Busisi, wait, don't mute yourself, ne? Busisi, wait, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, don't mute yourself. So how you must do it is, yes, you distribute it, it's fine. Then you have 3 to the exponent 2x minus 2, which is equals to, you need to find out what base to the exponent whatever gives you 81. What is that power, which is whatever base to the exponent, whatever, and it gives you 81.
It's 4.
It's 4. Busisiwe, are you still there? Don't mute yourself.
Yes, I'm still here.
Yeah, so I wanted to find out, what did you say?
So, like, please repeat your question.
So, for example, no, not that one. For example, 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2. What about 81?
It's 3 to the power of 4.
Okay, 3 to the power of 4. So this is what you were supposed to do. And then what will be the next step? So in case if you don't know, let me know that you've got no idea, and then I will explain.
I don't know.
Yes, that's what I meant when I was saying the way you do it, you are doing it incorrectly. You may get the final answer correct, but the procedure is wrong, because you may not have noticed, but what you do, even after doing that, you try to test what answer can I put there so that it gives me 81, because you continue with 81 throughout. I am therefore going to explain the way in which you should work it out. You won't struggle much. I'm hoping so. So maybe let me use a different color there and say how you should do it. Let's start with this one, which is 3 to the exponent, that which is equals to 81. So what is 81 in a form of base and exponent? Langlihle, you can join in. What is 81 as base and exponent? If you don't know how to do it, Busisi will also let me know. But Langlihle, if you've got an yes, what is it?
It's 3 to the power of 4, sir.
3 to the power of 4, yes. So now that the bases are the same, can you see the bases are the same, Busisi?
Yes, sir.
Then you equate the exponents. Then it's done. Can you see?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So very quickly, let's do number 10, which is 4 to the x, which is equals to 16. Then you need to check what is this in a form of base and exponent. What is it?
So it's 4 to the power of 2.
So that means this thing is 4 to the power of 2. Can you see the bases are the same?
Yes, sir.
Then they fall away, you equate the exponents. Then it's done. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These ones, they should be easy for Langlihle. Langlihle, in case if you've got a question, then you'll let me know. I just want to get this honorable member up to speed. And then let's do this one of 18. Can you see 18, Busisiwe?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will always rewrite this as a base to the exponent. What will it be? Langlihle, what is 64 in a form of base and exponent? Busisiwe, if you know, let me know. I'm not sure if Langlihle is
It's
still
4
there.
to the power of 3.
4 to the power of 3.
Sir,
Yes, Busisiwe.
I also think it's 2 to the power of 6, since the bases have to be the same.
Yes, so Langlihle, your answer may be correct, but you may find that you will still need to redo it again. So Langlihle got 4 to the power of 3. 4 again is 2 to the power of 2, and you still have your 3. So you will multiply that 2 by 3, and it ends up giving you 2 to the 6. So that is why the
May I please
base,
ask question?
yes,
Aren't you doing
yes.
number 11?
What is it? Wait. No, we are on 16. No, 18. You see that 18?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes, so that is the one that we are doing. Which is that one there? Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, so based on your question, it looks like you were going to get it correct, because if you thought we were doing 11, then you wanted the bases to be the same. That's why you said 4. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, so then it's fine. So this one will be that. Then, okay, but this way we say the bases are the same. What do? You equate the exponents. Then you solve for x. You have 3x, 1 goes to the other side, it becomes 5. No, 6. That you plus it by 1, it becomes that. Did you guys say 64 is 2 to the exponent 6? I think that's what you guys said.
Yes, sir, that's what I said.
Yes, then what I've done there, does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. Then let's look at 32. That 32, Langlihle, do you think you can be able to work it out?
Wait, what number?
No, not 32, but 22, that one.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Bosisi, where do you think you can be able to work it out?
So, 22.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I can try.
Okay, maybe let me explain that one, and then I'll give you one to do. Same goes for Langlihle. So that one, we have 2 multiplying 2 to the exponent x, which is equals to 32. So you must just know that we have invisible 1 there. Therefore, you will be having 2 to the exponent 1, that you must plus it by x, which is equals to 32. Why? Because the law says if you have the same basis, you add their exponents. That's what the law says. And then on the next step, you will rewrite 32 as 2 to the exponent something. I'm just curious, is it 4? Is it 4? Or is it 5? Which one is it? I think it's 5. Because 2 to the 2 is 4, 2 to the 3 is 8, 2 to the 4 is it 16, that is 32. I think so. Then since the bases are the same, they fall away, we equate the exponents. Then it means x will be equals to 4, because you take 1 to the other side, it's minus 5, then it becomes that. Did that make sense, Langlihle and Busisi? Did you guys understand what I've done there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, now very quickly, work on number 25 and let me know what the answer is. Yes, work on that 25. So as soon as you're done, do the same by not even commenting in the comment section. You can just unmute yourself and tell me what the answer is. When you're done, just unmute and say I'm done, and then let me know what the answer is. Guys, what's happening there? Are you working on it?
Yes,
Yes, I'm done.
I'm also
Okay,
done, sir.
Okay, Langlihle, you're the first. What answer did you get?
My answer was x equals 4.
X equals 4. Did you test it if it's correct?
Yes, I wrote it down first.
Okay. And then, Busisiwe, what's your answer?
So I got x is equals to 4.
You also got 4. Okay. Maybe let me explain what I mean when I say you've checked it. Because once you get your final answer to be 4, then if you go back to this question and then you substitute 4 there, that means you'll say 2 times 3 to the exponent 4. Then on your calculator, when you say equals to, it must give you that. That's how you prove if your answer is correct. But since you guys got the same answer, it looks like it's a good indication that the answer that you got is possibly correct. Okay, let's go to number 27. Let's go to number 27. Can you guys see 27?
Yes, I can see.
Langlihle, Busisiwe, can you see 27?
Yes, I
Okay,
can
then
see.
it's fine. Very quickly, try to work it out. Soon as you're done, please do let me know and say you're done. Then I'll find out what the answer is. In the meantime, I want to check that one that you guys got, if it is correct. Let's see. Are you guys still working on it?
Yeah, yes, I'm done. I think I'm done.
Okay. Langlitle is done. Okay, what is the answer, Langlitle?
I got x equals 2.
X is equals to 2. Okay, explain how you've worked it out.
My code says number 27.
Yes, 27. So how did you work it out?
Okay, so first I wrote 8 to the power of 8 to the power of x
Mhm.
equals 128 over 2, like as a fraction by the other side,
Okay.
by the right hand side.
So minus 2 for x, and then the same plus in the bracket.
Sorry about that. Okay, so Langlitle, I do get you a to the that equals 128 over 2. Okay, and then from there,
Oh, after that, I write again 8 to the power of x equals 64.
mhm,
Then I write 8 to the power of x equals 8 to the power of 2. Then
mhm.
my final answer was x equals 2.
Okay, Busisiwe, what answer did you get for your x value?
So I got x equals to 2.
Okay, let's see. How did you work it out? Busisiwe, are you
Sorry,
still
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I just want to understand the steps that you followed. How did you work it out?
So I got, so it is x to the 2 times 2 equals 128. And then so like what I did was divide the 128 by 2,
Okay.
which I got 64. So like, oh, and then I was left with 8 to the x equals 64. Then I made the bases the same. So 64 in the form of an exponential form, I got 8 to the power of 2. And then I equated the exponents. So I'm not
Okay. No, you've done it correctly.
Oh,
You've done it correctly. That's how you should do it, honorable member. Maybe while we're still on this one, let me show you another way in which you can still work it out so that you've got an idea as to how you can play around the laws. So you see that 8 is the same as 2 to the exponent 3. Then it will be 3x because it's 2 to the exponent 3x. That times that is 3x. Multiplied by 2, that is the same as to the 1. 1 to 8. Can it be 2 to the exponent something? Let's see. This is how you can know. You just punch 1 to 8, you say equals 2. You say shift, then you click fact. It gives you 2 to the 7. That's how you know. Even with 64, say equals to, then say shift, you click on fact. It gives you as a base and an exponent. If you didn't understand, let me know. I'll explain. So you have 7 there. Now, the law says if you have the same basis, what do? You add the exponent. So that means you have 2 to the 3x plus that. Now the bases are the same. You equate the exponents. And then you have 3x, which is, you take this to the other side. It gives you 7 minus 1, which is 6. Then you divide both sides by 3. So that means x is equals to 2, which is a long way of doing it. But I just wanted you guys to be exposed to other possible ways. Does it make sense, Langlihle and Busisiwe?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it makes sense.
Okay, so now I understand, Langlihle, why you said that 26 might be challenging. I now understand. Busisiwe, that number 26, I meant to say 26 Langlihle. That 26, can you be able to work it out, Busisiwe?
Yeah, I can try it.
Okay, maybe quickly give it a try. Quickly give it a try. Then let's see.
I should also do it right.
Maybe give it a try, Langlihle, but I feel like you can easily more it because no, let's see. Go for it, Langlish. Go for it. As soon as you guys are done, just let me know. Are you guys still working on it?
Yes, I'm almost done.
Busisiwe, are you still working on it that side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, are you still working on it? Langlihle?
Yes.
This is difficult mode.
I'm just confused about one thing.
You're confused about one thing.
Yes, but I think I have the answer.
Okay. Maybe hold on. Pusisiwe, how far are you? Also confused by something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Langlihle, what did you say? Confused, or you said you've got an answer?
Yes, I have an answer, but I'm just confused about it.
Okay. What is the answer?
Some reason I was working it out. I got a fraction. So I'm just trying to figure it all out.
And then what is the answer?
The number I got was 1 to the power of 3.
1 to the power of 3. Okay. Maybe let me explain it. So you see, there we have the same basis. What does the law say when we have the same basis? Do you guys still remember?
Do we add the numbers together?
Yes, so that
Good.
means we will have 7 to the exponent 2x, that you plus it with x, which is equals to 7. Remember, you have invisible 1 there. So that means now that the bases are the same, you can equate the exponents. You have 2x plus x, which is equals to 1. So this is the same as 3x equals to 1. Divide by 3 both sides. X is equals to 1 over 3. Did you guys see?
Yes, I can see.
Yes.
Oh, so I got
Busisiwe,
that answer.
but did
But
you follow the correct steps?
so I'm not sure because I used a different one. Like, so you know what I did?
Mhm.
So I added the exponents, which gave me like 7 to the power of 3x, and then so I did write that 7 to the power of 1. Then so like
No,
I
that's
equate.
correct.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that is correct. So it's either you can add them from the beginning and make it 3x, or do it that same way that I've done it. It's still okay. But let's see, Languihle, do you agree with what I've done there? Does it make sense?
Yes, it makes sense.
100%. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be jumping onto the lesson with grade 12. So on our next lesson, we will therefore be looking at questions under B, where it involves the exponents. Not that much complicated. That 1 over 2 on the right, you will just rewrite it as base to the power of something. So always when we have 1 over something, it's always something to the exponent -1. For example, you see that number 1. 1 over 2 is 2 to the exponent -1. 1 over 3 is 3 to the exponent -1. 1 over 4 is 4 to the exponent -1. So that means when the bases are the same, you will just equate by that exponent -1. That's what you're going to be doing everywhere you have 1 over something. Like this one, 1 over 49 is the same as 49 to the exponent -1. So then 47 is 7 to the exponent something. That something multiplies with that -1. Then you have the same basis as 7. You equate to something which is negative on the right-hand side. So I'm just giving you an idea of what we are going to be looking at. But I will just end it here, honorable members, and quickly prepare for the next lesson. Guys, we are all okay, nay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, until we meet again, I will just end it here.